Please subscribe to my channel Think Deep and hit the bell icon for more updates. Hi friends, how are you? This is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. So guys, how was your Sunday? My Sunday was very good, very relaxed yet hectic. And today Sunday morning I got up to a very good news. Finally the trailer of the new Batman. Yes, Robert Pattinson's Batman has finally released the trailer. And I was very happy to see it and I loved it. It looked very intriguing. It had a great color tone. And being a superhero fan, I was definitely very excited. But I'm very sorry to upload the review very late because I was very tied up today. So today I sat down. I'm a little tad free right now. So I thought of sitting down and review the trailer finally. And so that I can get your opinion as well. And definitely put across my opinion. So let us watch the trailer together. And by the way, this Batman is nothing to do with the Batman of Christian Bale or Michael Keaton. It's a very separate Batman and it's a reboot. And let's find out with the trailer what's the story about. So let's watch it together.
Your secret friend.
Underneath the bridge,
Who?
top has sprung a leak, and the animals I've trapped
Haven't a clue.
all become my pet.
Let's play a game. Just me and you. Any of this mean anything to you?
You're becoming quite a celebrity. Why is he writing to you?
If you are justice, please do not lie. What is the price for your blind eye?
The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm vengeance.
This guy's crazy!
You're part of this too. How am I part of it? You'll see.
Wow. So how did you like the trailer? Yeah, I simply loved it and it's releasing next year. And by the way, let me tell you, only 25% of the film has been completed. I just read few interviews of the director Matt Reeves. He's a great director. He's a director of Planet of Apes, Dawn of the Planet of Apes, and many more. And this is the first time he's venturing into Batman. So I was reading his interviews, and I believe only 25% of the film has been completed. Can you imagine? It's a 2.5-minute trailer, and they managed to cut out a 2.5-minute trailer, and it looks very intriguing because. As per director Matt Reeves, he really wanted to show, and this was launched on a fandom. There was a fandom. I think there was an event which took place called Fandom something. I'm not very sure. It took place in where an event was happening. So there, that was the place where this trailer was launched. And Matt Reeves wanted to show the world his new creation, the new Batman. And I'm really happy. I'm sure most of you have loved it. What I feel watching this trailer is that it talks about that Batman is already becoming popular. It's already 2 years and people are scared of him. And slow and steadily you can see a Catwoman becoming Catwoman. You can see a Riddler. If you see the last 2021 written, it's a question mark. So even there's Riddler in the film. So what I can feel that I don't think they will talk about the origin in the film, but there are certain things which will be quite a revelation to a Batman fan. I'm sure Matt Reeves is going to showcase something which is different from the other Batman films, because personally, if you ask me, all the films which I've seen of Batman, mostly the director and the writer talks about the similar stuff, the similar origins, the similar villains. But somewhat I feel this Batman will definitely showcase something very different, which we fans have not seen before. So I'm really looking forward. The Bat movie looks very different. Of course, it talks about a young Batman. I think it's only 2 years he's become Batman. He's becoming a popular superhero, and how other people are getting to know him and how he's gaining momentum and popularity in the Gotham City. Let me talk about Robert Pattinson. I remember when Robert Pattinson was cast as Batman, many people were against it because we all are so used to seeing a Michael Keaton, seeing Christian Bale, and we liked Ben Affleck also to be a Batman. He was a good Batman. So somewhat when Robert Pattinson was cast as Batman, people were against it. But somewhat I feel Robert Pattinson is looking really good. He's looking like a young Batman, a young guy who's becoming young Bruce Wayne, who's becoming Batman. So he's looking really nice. But few places I somewhat felt he looked a lot like Joker. The last shot, if you remember, he's looking like Joker. Didn't you feel? I'm sure Robert Pattinson has a good commercial appeal. Robert Pattinson, if you know, he's been really famous with the Twilight films and he has a great screen presence. And he's a good actor. Apart from the Twilight series, if you watch his other films, he's a good actor. So I'm sure he's going to pull it off as a very different Bruce Wayne. Other characters, like including Jeffrey Wright, is playing James Gordon. If you have seen, Zoe Kravitz is playing Catwoman, and Andy Serkis is playing Alfred. So these are new characters, and here the Selina Kyle, who is the Catwoman, is not Catwoman yet. So all these origin, and both Riddler and Penguin are also early in their own criminal careers. So all these characters are going to become super villains in this particular film. So if you've seen Gotham, definitely something similar to Gotham. Even if you've watched Gotham, if you've followed the Gotham series, you'll get to know that it's all the villains apart from Batman, all are becoming super villains and superheroes in Gotham. So something like that. But as a movie, as a full-length feature film, I'm really intrigued to watch it. And so this is going to be another 3-part series with Batman, Batman 2, Batman 3. So let's see with Robert Pattinson. So let's find out how the director and Robert Pattinson is going to pull it off. So this is the Cape Crusader is back, and definitely you have lots to expect. And I'm 100% sure this new Cape Crusader is going to fulfill all your, whatever you want to see or whatever you're expecting is going to exceed and fulfill all your expectations. So this was a trailer of Batman, and I can't wait to watch it in October 1st, 2021. So let's see. So guys, this was my review of the Batman trailer. Do share your point of view. I'm sure all of you fans have lots to say. Anyway, so this Batman, definitely various people will have various things to say. So let's see what happens. So guys, I hope you had a good Sunday, and this is my 25 pairs of shoe collection I have. I love shoes. Guys, I sign off. Please subscribe to my channel. Do share your views. I'll be back again very soon. Goodbye and a happy Sunday.